It's wedding day. Not our wedding day. We've already been married. Spencer and Haley, if you guys end up watching this,
Congratulations.
Congratulations, and your video looks awesome. Broke in the restroom. Works well. One of the keys of shooting weddings is showing up a little bit earlier to go ahead and get your drone shots while no one's around, because when you put that thing up in the air with a lot of people, it's loud. Amanda.
Yeah.
How you feel about your first time shooting a wedding?
Very underqualified.
You'll do fine. Mm-hmm. You're used to doing this. You can be on camera.
Yeah.
Now you just got to be behind it. What's up?
What's going on? What's up? The big day.
Man of the hour. Hello, hello.
What? Spencer, you did not have to. It's got my name on it. Spencer, bring it in. I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you.
Make sure you get the audio on there.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Wait, I forgot it. Okay, I do it again. Get that on video. No. Who's there? KGB.
Oh. Knock knock. Who's there? KGB. KGB who?
You answered the question.
Billy, you remember the videos in Taiwan?
Oh yes, cannot wait. The shaving ones.
Yeah. Are you gonna do that today?
No, I'm not gonna do that today.
Right before you go down there
I'm
for
just
the
gonna be
ceremony to
half.
shave off half of
Yeah.
your beard.
It'll be a real surprise. That's my gift to Spencer.
Okay, cool.
Spencer on 3. 1, 2, 3, Spencer!
I feel like I need something to do. Yeah. Yeah, we did it for one day.
Getting it?
Trying so hard.
It is blazing out here in the sun, though.
Oh my gosh, it scared me.
All right, wedding's about to start. Game time. Y'all are married.
We're married.
How was your first filming of a wedding?
I mean, I don't know. The proof is in the post editing.
Well, after a long day of shooting, we have arrived at McDonald's. We were on our high and now we are hitting our low.
That's right. Clay said, I want some fries.
Yeah, and then when I asked you if you wanted fries, you said that it sounded like a great idea. Don't act like I was the only one that acted like I wanted fries.
Look at this line. It's almost
This line? Okay, okay.
the whole
The
line.
drive-through ends right back there. The line starts here. We'll keep you updated if we decide to stay. McDonald's fries. McDonald's fries are incredible. Terrible for you, I'm sure, but they're incredible. All right, time to go home. Ready?
So out of nowhere into my life.